Hey guys, welcome back. Are you there? Is someone home? Are you guys there? Hey, today I'm going to show you guys how to make caramelized pork with eggs. So I'm going to use quail eggs today, and hopefully you guys enjoy my tutorial. Glad to see you all again. This is my new wooden special. What the heck? So let's have fun cooking, and hopefully you guys learn something and like it. So this version is my version, and folks, they do it differently, you know. So stay tuned and keep watching, okay? And subscribe and like. Do all those things for me, okay? Love you. Okay friends, so here are the ingredients for this dish. This is the caramelized pork with quail eggs. This is my version. So I'm from Cambodia, and we have this version, and then we have our neighbors that are from Laos and Vietnam and Hmong. They have almost the same kind of version, but their own variation, you know. So I think this is going to be an exciting tutorial. Hopefully you stay tuned to see the end result of this dish, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you do. So here are the ingredients for my version. We have smoked paprika. We have Himalayan salt. You can use regular table salt if you don't have this. I just have it on hand. This is the Coco Caramelized Syrup. This is oyster sauce. We have fish sauce right here. We have ground black pepper right here. This is the let's see here. This is the sweet soy sauce. This is the chicken bouillon soup base mix. We have 40 quail eggs, which is equivalent to 2 cans of the 15-ounce quail eggs. This is, I think I already told you guys about this, the Coco Caramelized Syrup. And we have here this menage a trois. I'm just kidding. This is ginger. We have 4 slices of ginger, about this size. Star anise, I have about 6 of these, right? Peppercorns and garlic. I just smashed the garlic. 2 cups of sugar. We're starting off with 4 cups of water, and we're going to use them in increments. And then here is the main attraction, y'all. This is the pork. 3 cuts of pork that I'm using today. I'm cooking for my family, so it's going to be in a big 20-quart pot. And so I have the 3-layer pork, and I cut them into about 1 inch. Get it out, Sapak. 1 inch sections. This is the pork belly. Also, I got this beautiful cut of meat, which is the this is the sliced hock, pork hock, right? And then I also have the pork feet, and I had the butcher slice it. I like to put this in because I like the gelatinous it renders down to. It's so good. Now you guys can use any, you know, other kind of meats if you don't eat pork. Understandable. You can use chicken, you can use beef, whatever whatever you want, wherever you feel like, okay? This is your dish, so recreate it. Anyways, let's get on to the cooking. Okay guys, so we're gonna start cooking, and the most important thing is you have to get all your ingredients right near your pot, near the oven. Yep. So that way it's gonna go by fast, and you guys need to be fast at putting the ingredients into the pot, okay? So have all your ingredients by your stove, and I'll show you. Okay, so you want to turn your stove on low, because right now we're going to caramelize the granulated sugar. So we're going to put in here, and you just want to stay here because you don't want to leave this because I'm making such a big batch, I'm going to use 2 cups of sugar. And you just want to stay here and stir, okay? Okay guys, so you see that the sugar is caramelizing. So I had to, because my stove is not as like hot as like maybe a regular stove, I had to higher up the heat to a medium. And all you have to do is just let it sit and melt. You don't really need to stir it. That's the best way to do it. The garlic, peppercorns, star anise, and ginger. So get that in. And I'm also going to put the paprika. Okay, you guys see how now it's incorporated like that? I'm gonna throw in my meats now. Okay guys, so I've added 2 cups of water in already, and now I'm going to add the sweet soy sauce. I'm going to get all of it in there. And add the cocoa syrup. Add your oyster sauce. Add your fish sauce. Add your chicken bouillon mix. Add half your salt. We'll add the whole thing actually. Now stir it together. Oh shit. So see how it's getting a dark caramelized color now? Whoopee. And now I'm going to add the rest of my water. Then I'm going to probably add another 4 cups. throw in another 4 cups of water. So you just want to stir that in. And now just let it boil. Just want to taste it. The flavoring is really good. So now you're just gonna let that boil for maybe an hour, so everything will be tender, okay? So it's been about 30 minutes, and you just want to skim off all the impurities as much as you can. You guys see how the meat's falling off the bone? That's what you want. So I did taste it, and I'm going to add another tablespoon of salt, okay? And also I'm going to add my ground black pepper. Let me get my salt. Want to stir it. You guys, so total, because my family wanted it more soupy, I added total 12 cups of water, okay? Because I do have a big, huge pot. It's a 20 quart. And now, you guys, you want to add in your quail eggs, okay? Gently, gently. And I'm gonna let this simmer for another, I want to say 15 minutes, and you should be done. Oh, look at you guys, I want to show you. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the color of the soup. Oh my god. Do you guys see that? This is why I like to put the hock in, like the pork hock, because look at the meat. You get a little bit of the pork skin, you get a little bit of the meat. It's gelatinous. Oh my god. If you guys could smell this. Oh, so good. Alright, right. See you guys in a bit. Okay, friends, the soup is done. I mean, you can boil it for more, but as you can see, like the meat's falling off the bone. And I'm so happy how it turned out. I can't wait to gnaw on these knuckles. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and plate this up. But I want to show you guys, wait. Okay. Look at this. And look at these knuckles. OMG, you guys, look at that. Can you guys see that? Can you see that? Yep, we're good. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up just to test the flavors. I don't know where to begin. Get a few quail eggs. So this is my plate. You see that? Ready to eat, ready to eat. Let's go. Hey guys, so we're gonna taste it now. So this soup is supposed to be a little bit sweet, a little bit salty, but so good. So let's go in for it. It's well worth the effort for sure. I'm gonna try to put like that's good. You guys, it's perfect. So, let's see this. Y'all, I'm gonna get my hands dirty because I like to eat with my fingers, but it's still so hot, like hot as in steamy hot. I love pork. Yeah, see that? Perfect. See how tender it is? And it just falls off the bone. You guys have to try this dish and let me know how you like it. Excuse me while I finish gnawing on this knuckle. Hot, hot. Hot, hot, but good. What? Remember, if you like this, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a great day. Bye. Love you.